Okay, this time I will review the salary for Tractor Time with Tim from YouTube. How much does Tractor Time with Tim make? Let's see. This is the achievement data for Tractor Time with Tim on YouTube. He has uploaded 1,055 videos. Already has 226,000 subscribers. The total video has been watched 103,309,630 times. The country is the United States. The channel type is How To. And Tractor Time with Tim joined YouTube on March 14, 2009. Let's scroll down. In the last month, Tractor Time with Tim received 848,023 views or views. We shift far to the left. And in the last month, Tractor Time with Tim's subscribers have increased by 1,000. Okay, let's continue calculating Tractor Time with Tim's income from YouTube. Here I will calculate the lowest to highest interpretation every month and every year. For the last month's salary, Tractor Time with Tim earned $212 to $3,400. And for the last year's salary, Tractor Time with Tim earned $2,500 to $40,700. That is the Social Blade version data, just an estimate. To be sure, it remains in the Tractor Time with Tim AdSense account. Thank you for watching, and thank you also for subscribing.